What if I told you that everything you're seeing on the left was created by professional video editors and animators working for days? And everything on the right was created by AI in minutes. Today, we're putting Runway Gen-4 to the ultimate test to answer the question that's sending shockwaves through creative industries. Can AI actually replace human video editors and animators? The answer might change your entire career or business model. Welcome to AI Mastery Hub, where we explore cutting-edge AI tools revolutionizing how we work and create. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and notification bell to join our community staying ahead of the AI curve. So what exactly is Runway Gen-4? It's the latest iteration of Runway's AI video generation technology, and it's making waves for good reason. Runway started as a creative suite for AI-assisted editing but has evolved into something far more powerful. Gen-4 allows users to create high-quality videos from text prompts, extend existing footage seamlessly, transform still images into fluid motion, and generate animations without manual keyframing. Unlike previous versions, Gen-4 maintains consistent characters, settings, and visual styles throughout clips. This leap in quality is why many are asking, do we still need human editors and animators? Let's put Gen-4 to the test with real-world scenarios that typically require professional skills. First, a 15-second product showcase for a smartwatch. Here's what a professional produced in 8 hours, and here's what Gen-4 created from a text prompt in under 5 minutes. The professional version has slightly more polished lighting and product details, but would the average consumer notice? Is that difference worth thousands of dollars? Next, animated explainers, a staple for businesses and educators. The professional animation took a team nearly a week, the Gen-4 version, under an hour with a few text prompts. Rather than scheduling shoots or buying stock footage, we simply described what we needed to Gen-4. The results speak for themselves. Perfect lighting, consistent style, and zero licensing fees. Before you fire your video team, let's address some important limitations. Gen-4 excels at executing ideas, but it still needs human creative direction. The quality really depends on your prompt engineering skills and vision. For frame-perfect precision or complex compositing, human editors maintain an edge. Gen-4 sometimes produces unexpected results. While Gen-4 can create impressive scenes, weaving them into emotionally resonant narratives still benefits from human expertise. Let's talk numbers, because this is where things get interesting. A professionally produced 1-minute promotional video ranges from $3,000 to $10,000. Using Runway Gen-4, the same project could cost Runway subscription $15 to $95 per month. Stock assets if needed, $0 to $100 your time, 1 to 3 hours. We're looking at potential cost reductions of 90% or more, with time savings from weeks to hours. So what does this mean for the future? The most likely outcome isn't complete replacement, but transformation. We're entering an era where video editors will become AI directors and prompt engineers. Small businesses can produce agency-quality content in-house, and content creators can scale output without scaling team size. The professionals who adapt will use AI for technical tasks while focusing on creative strategy and direction. Remember, we've been here before. When non-linear editing software first appeared, many thought it would devalue editing skills. Instead, it democratized basic editing while creating new opportunities. Now let me show you how to get the most out of Runway Gen-4. The key is mastering prompt engineering with these 3 tips. Tip number 1. Be hyper-specific about visual style. Say create a cinematic product video with dramatic lighting, shallow depth of field, and smooth camera movements rather than just create a product video. Tip number 2. Reference familiar visual languages. Phrases like in the style of Apple commercials or similar to Wes Anderson cinematography give the AI clear direction. Tip number 3, iterate and refine. Your first generation won't be perfect. Take what works, refine your prompt, and try again. So can Runway Gen-4 replace video editors and animators? The honest answer is not entirely, but it's closer than most professionals would like to admit. What's undeniable is that we're witnessing a fundamental shift in how video content is created. Those who embrace these tools will have supernatural abilities compared to those who don't. The question isn't if AI will change video production, but how quickly you'll adapt to the new reality. If you found this breakdown valuable, smash that like button and subscribe to AI Mastery Hub to stay updated for the AI era. We're covering breakthrough technologies like this every week. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and remember, the future belongs to those who adapt.